Many of you have seen my splash page, this one right here, and have asked how I made it and how I made it clickable. Right here, click here for more information. So I'll be doing this video. I created this page that I'm doing. It's going to be placed right here. So these are instructions how to create clickable images and banners. First of all, you'll have to upload your image to an image hosting site. And I recommend imgur.com. It's free. Then once you upload your image, and I'll show you how to do it, copy the image URL and paste it into HTML code provided below the video. I know a lot of people don't understand HTML or don't want to try to understand it, but it's this right here, just a simple line of code, and I'll show you how to use it, how to substitute the X and the Y's. So it's pretty simple. So you can pause and stop this video, do the action required, and resume the video. That's the best way to do it instead of trying to go through the whole video and memorizing everything at once. Okay, so pause, stop the video, and do whatever action is required. So the first thing we have to do is go to Imgur, imgur.com. Again, it's a free image or even GIF animated images hosting site. You'll have to create or sign up for an account. It's a free account. I already have one set up, so I'll just sign in. And for some strange reason, they call it a new post. So click on new post. You can drag and drop your images here, or choose a photo right here, an image. So I have it under automatic builder, and it's this one. I've played around with a few different ones. This one right here, uploaded completely or completed. You just have to, I haven't done this in a while. Let's go to share links. Yeah. So you need the one with a JPEG in it. Okay, I paused the video. So the last one we were looking at, I showed you need to have a JPEG link. So after you upload it, you'll have to go to your name and images. It might look a little different because when I went through it, it looked a little different. Images was kind of on the bottom. Anyways, click on your name and images. You want to find all the images that was uploaded in your file or account. Then click on the image. Then now you have the direct link with the JPEG in it. It could be a PNG. PNG is just a transparent background, but most times it'll be a JPEG. Then you can copy it. Click on copy to copy. Pull up Notepad or something and paste it in Notepad to keep it handy. Then you'll come back down to here. So we uploaded the image. I copied the image URL. Remember, it's got to have the JPEG at the end of it. And now we're going to paste it into the HTML code provided below. So from this page, you should be able to copy and paste this. Just drag over, hold down your left mouse, drag it across, and you can do a right click and copy, or on a PC, hold on your control key as you press your C key and pull up your notepad again. Go down a little bit. and paste, or keyboard shortcut, hold down your control key as you press V, does the same thing. Okay, so now down here I say the Y. Well, let's do the X first. The X is your image URL, which is this right here. So you're going to copy this and paste it. Be careful to highlight just all the X's. Don't mess with these quote marks. If you mess with that, it'll mess up everything. So highlight all the X's, paste your image URL, okay, because this is asking for the image source. So the image URL. And the Y is your link URL. Those of you who got the advanced version or the advertising version, anyway, the $47 version, when you log in, under resource, you'll have advanced tracking. So that'll bring you to this page here. You can track where all your members who joined and signed up came from. So as you can see, I have a bunch of different tracking links. So let's say you did a solo ad, Bob. Okay, you can put Bob Solo, set up tracking, and select your capture page. It gives you different capture page you want to assign to the tracking. This is the main one right here, so you assign that to tracking and save changes. So your link would be Bob Solo. Highlight that, copy, and go back to your notepad. So following this right here, all the Y's would be your link URL. So I copied the tracking, my tracking link, highlight Y, and Control V or paste. So now I have this is my username and a tracking Bob Solo. So whenever you go to your customers inside their back office and click on their name, on the right side below the below portion on the right side, right column, you'll see the source of your prospect. So this will give you a better idea of where most of your sales and customers are coming from. Now most times splash pages or something like that, or even banners, if you're running banner ads, it's going to require the same thing. They're going to ask, you won't have to have the HTML code, but they're going to ask for the image source and your redirect link or your advertised link. So that's what this one is, the Y, href, reference link. The target blank, that causes whenever they click on your link to open up in another window or tab. I'll be doing a over-shoulder demo for you so you can watch how what you just learned can be applied. I'm going to be using Million Leads for free. It's a free advertising platform. And the reason I use it is because there's now 9 million members and at least 50% are logged in daily. So I'm going to log in. To be able to post, you're going to have to view at least 10 um, ads. Okay, you start off at the message box, and it'll tell you you're not qualified because you have to view 10 ads. So the ads appear here. And so far this morning, I've viewed 43 ads. It takes a couple minutes, that's all. But the more ads you view, the higher ranking you'll get. So it'll be placed above a lot of the other ads that are out there. So again, you have to view at least 10 ads to be able to post to 5,000 leads. Okay, once you do that, you go to Post to Open Contacts. Click on that. And you can save a bunch of campaigns. As you can see, I've got a bunch of campaigns saved up. But I'm going to be doing this one right here, just to show you how it's done. And I've got it saved right here. So the subject line, copy and paste it. And if you're going to do this, try to change the subject line so it doesn't look the same. And the main thing is to create curiosity. That's the secret to advertising. Not like everybody else, they're posting the name of the company and they're posting what it does, like their vitamins, how great it is, or whatever, something like that. You want to create curiosity so people have no clue what your company name is. Okay, so turn the one-time 27 into 1,000 plus per month. Now, as long as you see these right here, that means you have HTML access. These are all kind of shortcuts to HTML. You don't really have to know HTML. But as long as you see here HTML or HTML source, click on that. And this is the HTML source editor. So what we're going to do is take everything that we had, I'm going to copy it. See, this is right here is the image source, and this is where my image is hosted on my own domain. And the href is the reference link. So this will be your automatic builder link or tracking link if you paid for the $47 version. And all you got to do is paste it. Update. Save this message. Preview. And there it is. So when somebody sees your title, turn $27 into 1,000 plus per month, they're going to come into this. They're going to see this, which is congruent to your title. It piqued their interest. Now you just expanded it more or glorified it more. And I put this together kind of for psychological reasons. This is a fire. It's hot. This is supposed to be a heart. If you see that, you'll love it. And again, these are kind of teasers or something to pique interest, advertise to other marketers who have money. This is what you want to advertise. This is who you want to advertise to. The automatic builder, where leads pay you. Who doesn't want to get paid for leads? And you can promote any business on autopilot. 100% payout. This is all true. Now, this one right here, people might question you when they get into it. This automatic builder, because they can't see how they're advertising to other marketers who have money. This is where the networkers list comes in, if you understand what's going on. And click here for more information. Now, when you hover over this, click here. If you look down into the left-hand corner here, you'll see, and make sure you verify that your link shows up and it's the correct link. Once all that is correct, click on post this message, and that's it. So you can post every 24 hours. So I'll have my link to Million Leads for free. It's worked pretty good for me. And again, it's free. You can post every 24 hours. And I'll also have a link to the software I use to create these splash pages. There's a discount period right now, so you might want to take a look at it. It's basically, it's simple. It's a drag and drop. If you have any questions, we can get together, and maybe I'll make a video for that. Again, it's pretty simple. You can use it on Facebook. It fits perfectly in Facebook posts. YouTube it's specifically designed for YouTube thumbnails. So that's why it's called Thumbnail Blaster. Okay, so I'll have my link below this video on this page.